All right, we're back with Jim. What you got? Look at that.
Yeah.
Grab a hold of your hands. Interlock the fingers and stretch. Perfect. Okay, slowly let your arms down. Okay, arms straight out to your side.
Okay.
All the way up. 90-degree angle. All the way up. Arms in like this. Rotate up. And rotate down. Any discomfort?
Yeah, I can feel a little bit.
Just like
But
pulling?
What about the work? No, about from the workout, I think.
All right, turn around. How high can you lift that bad arm?
So
That's
I
a
have
lot
no trouble
easier.
with that.
Yep. Very, very
It was
good.
a whole lot more than it was.
What changes have you noticed? Big change?
I'd say fairly decent. Yeah.
All right, good job.